Neighbors. Oh, sorry, Harrietta, I woke you up. Look where Harrietta likes to take a nappy poo. You having your nappy poos? Yeah. So neighbors, I'm just getting ready to film another video, but before this one gets started, I wanted to add a little clip about who became one of my best friends in my life, Linda over at Create with Linda. We have a great connection. I love her like a sister. We talk every day. She's just a great person. And there's going to be an added clip at the end of the video of Linda and just sharing who she is and what her family is about. Go over and say hello and show some love. Welcome back to another video of Cooking with Neighbors. It is I, Jerri-ellen, and in today's video we're doing things that you don't have to turn your oven on for or whatever. It's a no cook or no bake. It's a collaboration with my friend Linda over at Create with Linda, and I'll leave the link below in the description box to her channel. And she's doing the first day of summer. Yeah, so I got a couple of things, but anyhow, let's get started. Man, it was warm, not warm, it was hot out part of the weekend, and as you can tell, like sunburned. Oh my gosh. So yeah, burnt to a crisp. So I'm doing a quick little salad here. I might grab a chair and sit while I do this. I'm opening up a can of whole kernel corn here. Okay. One second. Still chit chat, possibly. Doing a few things. Well, my no cook. I'm actually two birds, one stone here. I'm making the guys lunches. So, anyhow, I'm going to strain my corn, and I'm going to open up and strain and rinse this as well. You can get 6 bean, or this is a bean medley for salad. You can use Italian dressing on this. You can use, I'm using Greek feta and oregano. Put a little bit of tomato in there. Doing a cheat day. I'm just going to use some Greek feta. Much or as little as you like. A little bit of dill. Oops. Throwing it around everywhere. Everywhere but in the bowl. My smell. It smells so good. It smells delicious. The parsley. This. Okay, just gonna take a little tasty poo. Here, have a taste. Have a taste. I like it. Put a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. That's that one. Casey and Gray, I'm gonna put these in their little containers for their lunch and that. But yeah, they like this salad. The coming days, weeks, whatever, I'm going to be doing some budget recipes. I have a cookbook that is from 1937 that belonged to my husband's grandmother. And she was a lovely lady, and I'm going to be doing some recipes out of there in her memory. Next recipe. So now I'm going to be doing this another one that Graham and Casey like. Yeah, I may as well be videotaping their lunches because, yeah, why not, right? So, I'm going to make an Italian sub, deli style. Don't want to cut the bun all the way through. I want to kind of have it, if you can. Sometimes it happens, it just ends up being cut all the way through. I want provolone. That's what I want. I want some provolone. How's everyone doing? Enjoying the beginning of summer, I hope. I just like some mayo. Just put some mayo. And then 3 slices of provolone. And some prosciutto. Some Capocollo. Genoa salami. I shredded some lettuce and washed it in my handy dandy lettuce spinner. Tomato and onion slices. Not very much salt, little pepper, drizzle of olive oil or so. Oopsie daisy. Now, the type of bun I'm using is you want to find a bun that, you want to find a bun that is chewy and soft, like it can take some of the oil without it coming apart and stuff on you. And some red wine vinegar. Okay. Here's one sandwich. One seems to be a little smaller than the other one. Kind of was a smaller bun. Still tasty, just doesn't have as much on it, as much meat as the other one. All right, now something for their tea break at work. So I'm gonna put, I'm just making they're like peanut butter balls, so it's kind of like whatever I have on hand. So it's not the same all the time with what you have. So I'm using 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats, okay? You can do quick oats if you want, like this just something here that I'm putting together. I'm gonna put about 1/4 cup of crushed or broken up. You can use peanuts, whatever nuts you feel like, almonds, whatever. I have walnuts on hand, so I'm going to use walnuts. Break them up kind of small. Any plans for the summer? Any of you have any travel plans or hanging around the neighborhood? What's up? What's going on in your life? Introduce yourself if you haven't chit-chatted in the comment section before. I'm going to try to with my hands, crush it a little bit smaller. And one for me, cranberries. So I'm going to use 1/4 cup of cranberries. I just ran out of chia seeds. I have to get more. I like putting chia seeds like in our oatmeal bowls and like our overnight oats and stuff. I like 1/4 cup of those. What else am I going to put in? I'm going to put in 1/4 cup of almonds. Some sliced almonds. Put almonds are good for you. I'm going to put 1/2 cup of peanut butter. Get my spatula. And I'm going to do probably like 1/3 cup of honey. Okay. I'm going to put a little bit of vanilla in too. A little bit of vanilla. Probably like a teaspoon there. Yeah. wash my hands because I need to roll these. Some chocolate chips if you want. We used up our chocolate chips on the weekend. You can use raisins if you don't want to use cranberries. Raisins are good. Hands washed. Wetting or oiling your hands a little bit sometimes can help. Get some wax paper. I'm gonna wash my hands, get some wax paper. Excuse me. That's what it looks like. And then you can just, however big you want really, but I make them sort of almost like golf ball size. Then I give them a little press down. Put them on some wax paper. A little bit of energy midday with your coffee break or tea break. Very good. I like the little bit of nuts in there. Hey, you puppy. There you is. Mommy, get your chair. Mommy, get your chair. Yeah, you should get about 18, 20 of these, depending on how big you make them, give or take. And this one's for me. Yum, yum, yum. I want to use maple syrup or like a sugar-free honey or like light maple syrup or something. You knew that. Very good. Hi, Jerri-ellen. Want to say hello to your friends? Want to say hi? She's upset with me because I didn't give her the granola. I didn't give her the granola. Show you some work hubby is doing. Getting the pergola done here. So I cut those and put those on. Patio stones are concrete, we're not sure for there. And I'll show you a bit more of Andrew's garden. It's coming along. Pretty soon the roses will be growing and stuff, so it's coming along nicely. So neighbors, using this as a mirror, oh goodness. But anywho, don't forget to check out my friend Linda at Create with Linda and see what she did today. Thank you neighbors for coming to visit us today. Hope to see you all again soon. Peace, love, God bless. Please come back again.
Hey guys, so hi, this is Linda from Create with Linda, and I'm coming on because I want to talk to you guys about what my channel is about. My channel is about craziness. It's almost like a roller coaster ride, guys, but it's a lot of fun. I do what's for dinners, I do vlogs of my dogs and the house and some cleaning and some stress. I do a what's for dinner 98.9, well, I would say 99.9 of the time, percent of the time. I do what's for dinners, and it's just from, frankfurters to, steak. I do everything. I'm Italian. I'm from an Italian family, and we're crazy people, and I'm very, very, very emotional. I'm a very emotional person, so therefore I put a lot into my time and my efforts and stuff, and I try to strive for perfection. But one thing about me is that I am definitely not perfect. You're going to see mishaps. You're going to see, maybe some freshness between my husband and I or my family, and just real. You're just going to see realness, guys. But what you're definitely going to see is a lot of cooking, a lot of down-to-earth, real stuff. And so this is what my channel is about. So check me out, guys, because there's so many good things that I'm doing. I do little collabs. I do budget meals. I do a lot of collabs with friends. Jerri-ellen from Cooking with Neighbors. Go check her out. She's awesome. Actually, you're going to check her out. Anyway, guys, please come and check out my channel. You're going to love. If you love home cooking and realness, and you're going to love my channel. So come check me out. All right, guys, hope to see you. This is Linda from Create with Linda. Bye.